Hi, Dan here. Rickrolling. Rickrolling, from the term Rick Astley plus trolling, has been around for years. It all started from Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up song, released in 1987, being based on 2006. According to Wikipedia, it started from 4chan, a social media website. It was related to another troll called Duckroll. It was popular and it was used as an April Fool's prank in 2007 on the same site. And later, in 2008, it has gone mainstream on YouTube. Ever since its popularity, it's been a meme reused all the time as a clickbait or a troll on whoever clicks on it. Even the at times of meme killer himself, PewDiePie, still get rickrolled by his subreddit to this day. With the pandemic happening and with online classes around 2020, the meme did a massive resurgence online. Trolling teachers and classmates is one of them. One could say that the meme is annoying and triggering, but the song itself is a classic. It still slaps. People make many iterations of the song. It can be a meme, mashup, or a cover. The meme still lives. What meme would you like to learn next? Let me know at the comments below.